What's up, everybody? This is Chase Bruner. I'm coming to show you a video of working on this C70 Clark right here. Let's go ahead and check it out. Got some big old forks on this thing. So this is the error code right here we got going on. See if they'll pull it up again. Alright, well, it was showing the wrench up here, and then the wrench was saying that the oil filter error. So the oil filter error was popping up down here. Oh, there it goes right there. Engine light on right here. So that means that we're gonna have to change the oil in the oil filter. So we can go ahead and turn this on. Go ahead and check out where we need to open up. Open this bin right here. Got the air filter, got the motor over here. Let's see, we got transmission dipstick right here. There's the oil dipstick right there. Let's see what we got on this one. Alternator right there. Oh, there's a turbo right there. There's a starter down there, radiator. Nothing on this side. Oh, they got the oil filter right here. That might be something I need to replace. So I need to get the number off of it and cross-reference the number to a different name, or just see if we got an oil filter back in the back. Air filter, you can take this out and check it out. It looks dirty, but it don't look too bad. Put that oil filter out on the side. Yeah, that don't look too bad. I think it's still good. Let's see. Oh, I got the numbers right here when I wrote down. 4,390, 7/15/22. Well, that wasn't too long ago. Seems like it's about 2 months ago. 4,390. Let's see where we at now. 4,606. That ain't too much. About 300 and some hours on it. This is where your hydraulic goes down up in here. Fill up your hydraulic. This is where you check your hydraulic. Just make sure you got enough. But it was saying engine oil. So we're going to go ahead and check the engine oil right here. Okay, we got to wipe it off. Put it right here in this ring. Wipe this off real good. Okay, we got it clean. See minimum and max. Stick it down up in there. Alright, let's check it now. Let's see what it says. Oh, it's low. So it's on the minimum mark. Not even in the middle. So it probably needs oil. So I could change the oil, or I could just put some oil in it and the code would probably go off. But the oil looked kind of dirty. I don't know when was the last time it was changed. But the first thing I do is go to the oil filter and see if I even have an oil filter. Because if I don't have an oil filter, then I don't even need to change the oil. So go from here back to the oil filter. That means I have to just add some oil to it. Let's see. Oh, why we got this in here? We just got random stuff just sitting in here. All kind of junk. Oh, right here, the oil filter. Oh, this must be the water separator right there. I think so. 4,390 it says on the side. So that's good if y'all can write something like that down. That means if it's at 4,606, That means it's been about 300 some hours. That ain't too bad. 300 hours. So let's see. I'm just checking around to see if I see one more filter anywhere. This one does look like. Yeah, but that's an oil filter, I'm pretty sure. Just making sure that's not a water separator. Nothing on this side. Yeah, I guess that's what I need to change. I gotta get under it and see the numbers on it. I don't see the numbers. Let's see. If I could see on it. Oh, I see it a little bit. I can't really tell what it is. Wonder if I can. If I can get up under here and check. Oh, damn it. Let's see. Ugh. Okay, I see a 9, a 4. Let's see what else. A 9, 4, 1, 5, 9, something. 9, 4, 1, 5, 9. I gotta go check for oil filter. Oh yeah, let's go. Alright, we gotta go to the cabinet in here. Let's go to the oil filter, see if we got an oil filter fire. Drop the oil. Let's see what we got. PA. These looks like a lot of air filters in this one. We go to this one. Oh, here's the oil filters. I think it was 9519 something. Let's see. It almost look like this one right here. That's a Calamar. I guess let me find